Today I'm going to show you a nice, quick and simple way of installing a frameless mirror on a closet door. Now I'm actually in my son's room, and this mirror that I'm going to install, it was broken. The mirror, the length was 120 centimeters, but it was broken accidentally. So what I've done is to cut it, and then I'm going to basically salvage the rest and fit it on the door. What you will need is a couple screwdriver and a drill, and that's about it really, and the fittings to fit the mirror. One thing that is very important when installing anything on a wall or so is make sure that you done your prep work. So if you look here, I've made a line here and a line here, and then a little dot, and this is where I'm gonna make the holes. Now that I've done my prep, I'm just gonna go ahead and bore 2 holes in the door. This is one of the holes that I've drilled, and the second one is over here. These were the old ones that was in the door previously, and as you see, it only took me seconds. Now the fittings is I'll just put on the paper there. That's a couple of screws, and that's here is some plastic fittings that I'm going to put at the bottom of the mirror. Because there's no pre-drill holes there, I'm just gonna affix some fittings there, and because I got 4, I'm gonna put 2 additional fittings at the top as well, just to keep the mirror nice and firm on the door itself. I'm gonna fit on these plastic fittings at the bottom of the mirror now. I've make some mark there, and I'm just gonna use my drill driver to drive the screw in, and this should hold it nice and firm. I've now completed fixing this frameless mirror, which I've salvaged back on the wardrobe door. Originally the mirror was about 120 centimeters long. It's now about 98. Happy with that. I fitted 2 new fittings at the bottom here. It's nice and firm, and the 2 pre-drill holes that was in the mirror, I've just used it back because it will look very hard with just 2 holes not filling out. So I've put back the screws and covered it, and I've also put 2 more fittings at the top for added security. So for me, this is a next job ticked off my to-do list. So if you like my video, please remember, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel.